So for the chasing debtors, first thing we've got to do is download a report. So, well, the first thing we're actually going to do is make sure everything's posted to account. So make sure that all of the payments are on, make sure it's all up to date because we don't want to chase people with incorrect information. Then what we're going to do is click post here, and it'll whir away and it'll post everything and update the accounts. So like I say, you want to make sure all your RBS payments are done, anyone that's paid into the NatWest account's paid, and you've marked it off on the system because we don't want anyone being like left out, if you like. Any information missing, I mean, we chase customers that have already paid and they'll be annoyed with us. So I'll wait for this to post. It'll take a minute. So if you didn't see where that was, we click, it's just in accounts, post to accounts there. That one. Right, the next thing we're going to do is click that bottom one, reports, and then we get all the reports. And it's the top one, 41262 age debtors report without cash customers, this one. I'm going to click run to layout. Yeah, you're going to click use today's date and you want your settings like that. So just get nice and close on that so you can copy. Yeah, then we are going to click that one, just run it, and we've got it there. Then we want to hit this drop down here and export it, but then we're going to click the drop down again and export it to XLS file. Click OK. Yeah, then we're going to save it in accounts, and just out there. I'm going to call it debtors. And we're going to name it the date 13.08.2019. Save that. Yes, we want to open the file. So that's saved now. What we're going to do is get rid of them top rows. So highlight from 10 upwards, right click and press delete. The next thing we're going to do is highlight the top row, click view, freeze panes, freeze top row. So that stays there. Then what we're going to do is the 3 months that are the oldest, we're going to highlight them yellow. Okay, then all we're going to do is work down this list and ring them. We're going to ring each customer. So what we'd do, we'd have our sales ledger open on order-wise on this screen, and we would have sales ledger like that, and we would have the debt on this page, and we'd start at the top and we'd go, right, who's the first one? Blackmore Commercials. We'd type Blackmore Commercials in here. We'd download we'd get the number off their account, which is on there, and we'd ring them. So we ring them up and we chase for the debt that's overdue, which is very clear on that one. If we click onto Blackmore Commercials and press history, and then we tick the outstanding thing, we can tell them what invoices are overdue, the invoice numbers, the amounts, the breakdown. We can send them copies of it, all that kind of stuff. So basically we want to ring them, give them all the information they need, ask for a payment date, and then just put a coloured block, a yellow coloured block next to them once we've rang them like that, and then we just work down the list. And if you come over in here in the accounts office, we have a few checks just to go through in case you get stuck. So introduce yourself, and it kind of, you just read through that and follow that along. That's kind of the template for making the phone call. So that is pretty much chasing debtors. We work down the whole list, get a date off everyone, give them all the information they need, and that's it.